Yes, it is a rainy morning, but we need it severely, so it's a good thing. I'm heading over to Doreen's to finish working on the book. I'll probably have some footage there, and I'll see you then. Just had my friend's computer out so I can get some stuff off my flash drive, and so now it's on the desktop, and so now the computer's going back in. Listen to that rain, people. Much calmer in downtown. Nice. Well, the rain has calmed down. I'm about to go into work. So I will see you guys later. Okay, so I'm here at a friend's house. We just finished working on her book, and now it's going to be bedtime. So I'm going to sign off. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Her book is coming out very soon. It's going to be awesome. And then I'll be having some shorts coming out, film shorts. So have a great night. Take care. We'll see you soon. Peace.